In this video, we're going to have a look at how to update your WordPress plugins. So first, we're going to log into your website and go to the dashboard. Now we'll see the menu for WordPress is on the left-hand side, and you'll scroll down to plugins, installed plugins, and we will see a full list of all the plugins that are live on the website. We also now see a notification for any plugins that need an update. It includes the details of that update, and a button to update now is available for most of these plugins. You can filter by update available. So we've got 36 plugins available to update on this website. We have two main options to do this. One is manually updating each one. We would recommend to manually update them because certain plugins you may not want to update because they haven't been tested on the newer WordPress website. And then other plugins like the anti-spam plugin here are very standardized and they're not going to break your website. But if you've got something like WordPress with WooCommerce, with a shopping function for your website, we would recommend that you at least wait till it has been live and installed by other people to see if there are testing. With our own clients, we do wait a while before updating the WordPress and payment provider plugins. They aren't always tested, and there have been huge issues with WooCommerce being updated in the past. So give it a small bit of time for other websites to update their plugins and wait to see what the feedback is if they're going to start crashing the website. So we're in update all available. The first option to do is in bulk. We can click this plugins tab here, which is going to highlight all of the different plugins, and we would go to bulk actions and we would click update and apply. Now that will automatically go through all of the different plugins and it will show you that they are updating. I'm not going to do that now. I'll do it with two different plugins here. And we'll hit apply. I see the first one is updating. When you're on this screen, you have to leave it open, so don't leave your WordPress website, otherwise the updates will stop, and if you try to leave, you will get a prompt to say, are you sure that you want to leave? So that plugin is now updated. What we also recommend is after updating any plugin, you should go back onto your live website and see that the website is working correctly. Now, an example here, we're at py.ie, and what we can see is we're logged in. So you see this admin login button, and this is not what you want to do. You actually want to go into a guest mode, so you don't want to be seen as admin, because when you're in this view, you see things differently than every user that's going to be on your website. Plugins may look to work perfectly fine, but if you go and you log out, you may find that other customers are not able to see the updates that you are able to see as an admin. So if you're using Google Chrome, go into a guest mode or pick something like Firefox or Safari. Change the browser that you are on, and that will put you automatically to not be an administrator for the website. And we can see here, yes, the website is still working. Again, if you are updating WooCommerce or any payment gateways or anything that's important for your website, do double check that it is working. Do a test order, make sure the payments are going through to your payment provider account, and that is it. That has been updating plugins for your WordPress website. It's a nice simple one today. See you in the next video.